So in this video, we are going to learn how to summarize YouTube videos into structured content using AI agent. So we are going to build an AI agent which will first capture the new YouTube video links which we are adding in Airtable. After getting the video link, the video URL, this AI agent will send the same URL to HappyScribe, and using HappyScribe, it will get the transcription of our YouTube videos. After getting the transcription, this AI agent will send the same transcription with the prompt to OpenAI. And using OpenAI, we are going to extract and summarize the content from the transcription. After getting the extracted or structured content of the summary, this AI agent will automatically update the same details back into the Airtable into the same record. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is a table which I've created in my Airtable database. Now in this table, I'm just adding the title and the link of the video, and after that, as I do that, automatically within few minutes, the video's summary is been retrieved over here, and using the AI agent which we have created, it will extract the details, enter the main idea of the video in this column, the key takeaways in this column, and the use case scenarios in this particular column over here. Now, as we enter these details, this AI agent will take the video title and video link and send it to HappyScribe. Using HappyScribe, it is going to first transcribe the video which we have uploaded. Now, in this video, we are taking an example of YouTube videos over here. I'm adding the link of any YouTube video over here. It will transcribe using HappyScribe. And then after getting the transcription, this AI agent will send the transcription to OpenAI or to ChatGPT or to any other AI platform. And using that, you can extract the details like main idea, takeaways, scenarios, and any other details from the transcription and add it over here. Now to connect all of these applications and build this AI agent, we are using Pabbly Connect. And to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. Click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI agent for video summary. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to set up this workflow and click on create. And as you click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. Now here in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this AI agent, this workflow works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our Airtable database with Pabbly Connect with this AI agent in the trigger step. So that whenever we add the video title and video URL over here in the new row of this Airtable database, automatically the same video URL and title is captured by this AI agent, by this workflow, and the AI agent will trigger, it will start. So here in our trigger step in choose app, we will search for Airtable. Just select it. After selecting Airtable in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new record, then just click on connect and then just select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Airtable account with Pabbly Connect, and to make this connection, click on this connect with Airtable button. Then because we have already logged into our Airtable account in our browser, in this pop-up window, it will ask us to select all the bases and resources which we want to connect from Airtable with Pabbly Connect. So here in add base, I want to connect all current and future bases, and in resources, I want to basically add all the resources I have. So in this way, we have connected everything. Just click on grant access, and as we click on grant access, we will see our Airtable account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the base name, that in which particular base and then in which particular table we are adding the video URL which we want to capture by this AI agent. So we are telling our AI agent that from which particular table or database in Airtable we want to get the video URLs from. So my database name is content creation. So here from this drop down of base name, I'm just going to search for the same base content creation and select it. Then under this page, I have two tables named as table 1 and the second table named as YouTube video key points. So here from this drop down of tables over here, you can see both the options. I'm going to select this particular table in which I'm adding the YouTube video links. After selecting the base name and table, here in important note, it is written that we have to add an additional field, an additional column named as created in Airtable. After creating the Airtable database of your choice, here at last, you have to add a column, add a field over here. You have to name this field as created as it is mentioned in the important note, and the field type will be created type. In this way, whenever we add a new record, a new title and the video URL, automatically the date and time at which we are adding the new record in Airtable will be automatically added in this field. And in this way, this AI agent will came to know that there is a new record is being added. And every 10 minutes, this AI agent will check for new data, new URLs or video links in our Airtable base, take it, and then this AI agent will trigger. So here we have successfully added this column over here named as created, and the column type on the field type is created time. Then after that, when we click on this save and send test request button, the details of the last record, the most recent record which we have added in this Airtable base is received inside Pabbly Connect. So right now in this database, you can see that we have only one record. Now we already have this example data over here. Let me just clear this data from here. So right now in our Airtable database, I only have the video title, the YouTube video link, and the created date and time. Then after this, what we are going to do, we'll go to Pabbly Connect and click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received the response. In this response, we have the record ID, the unique record ID of this row over here. Then we have the video URL, the same video URL which we have added in Airtable, and the title of the video. Also in front of created time over here, you can see we have the date and time, that at what date and time this data was added. So in this way, you can see we have received all the details of the video URL, YouTube video URL from Airtable inside Pabbly Connect in this AI agent. Now in the next step, what we want this AI agent to send this same video link, video URL to Happy Scribe. And using Happy Scribe, we want it to get the transcription of the YouTube video. For that, we will scroll down, come to this Actions tab. Here in Choose App, we will search for Happy Scribe. Just select it. After selecting Happy Scribe, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Transcription. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our Happy Scribe account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our Happy Scribe account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your Happy Scribe account and from the left sidebar from this bottom corner, click on this profile option and go to personal settings. After clicking on personal settings, click on this API key option and here you can see the API key and the organization ID. Copy the API key of your Happy Scribe account from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Then after that, we have to copy the organization ID as well and paste it over here too. After pasting both of these details, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see that it is going to give us a warning that this is an invalid API key. Because in the help text, it is clearly mentioned that we have to write a prefix over here named as bearer space before the API key. So we have to write bearer space and then we have to enter the API key of our Happy Scribe account. Now after entering this, we will click on the Save button and now you can see that our Happy Scribe account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the transcription name. That the new transcription which we are doing using Happy Scribe, what is the name of this transcription? So we have received the name of the video over here, the video title from Airtable. We have added the video title in Airtable and received the same response inside Pabbly Connect in the trigger step. So what we are going to do, from the trigger step responses, we are going to add this response of the title of the video to this Happy Scribe action step in the transcription name field. So I want to add the video title. I want to keep the video title as the transcription title, transcription name as well. And to add the trigger step response to this action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field of transcription name and from the drop down from Airtable responses, select the response of field title and it will be mapped. And after that, here in language, we have to enter the language that in which particular language we have the audio or the speech of the video over here. And here in the help text, you can see the full list option. Just click on this hyperlink and it will take you to a page on Happy Scribe. At this page, you will see a list of all the languages which are supported and understood by Happy Scribe. Now, out of all of this, I'm going to select the language as English India because the audio in this particular video, whose link we have added over here, in this video, the audio is according to Indian English. So we are going to enter the same language, English India over here, and we have to enter the language code for that. So this is the language code. Then it is asking us for the media URL. Now here in media URL, we have to enter the URL, the link from Airtable. So from Airtable responses, once again, we are going to map the response of media URL, the video URL over here in this field of media URL. Just click on this field from the drop down from Airtable responses, select and map the response. Then it is asking us for the workspace name. And here in workspace name, we have to enter the name of our Happy Scribe workspace. Now the name of my Happy Scribe workspace is my workspace. So I'm just entering the same name over here. My workspace. After entering the workspace name, it is asking us that is it a subtitle. So no, we don't want to get the subtitle. So we are selecting false over here. And then just click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see that the video URL which we have mapped over here, this particular video is now sent to Happy Scribe for transcription. And Happy Scribe has initiated the transcription of this particular video. Now we have to allow Happy Scribe some time to transcribe the video over here. So on the basis of the average length of the video which you are sending, you can enter the time over here. Let's say if I have a shorter video over here, I have a small video, it's not a pretty long video. So let's say I'm adding a delay, a time of 10 minutes. So in this workflow, in this AI agent, we are going to add a delay of a few minutes, allowing Happy Scribe to transcribe the file, to take the time and for the transcription. And after that, from Happy Scribe, in the next step after delay, we are going to retrieve this file as well. And we are going to get the transcription, retrieve the transcription file of the same document, of the same video. So here to add a delay, just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button, and here in Choose Apps, select Delay Pabbly. After selecting Delay Pabbly, in Action Event from the drop-down, select the action event as Add Time Delay, then just click on Connect. And after clicking on Connect, the first thing it asks is how much delay you want to put in workflow. So I want to delay for a few minutes, so I'm selecting Delay for from this drop-down. In delay units, we are going to select minutes, and in value, let's say I will be entering 10 or 15 minutes. Just an example. Now, on the basis of how long your video is and how much time Happy Scribe is going to take to transcribe that video, you can change the delay time as well. Then just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And in this response, you can see we have successfully delayed this workflow for 15 minutes. So once the workflow is triggered, once this AI agent captures the video title and video URL which we have added newly in Airtable, this AI agent will trigger and it will basically send the same details, same video link and title to Happy Scribe for transcription. After sending it, this AI agent will be on delay, will be on hold for 15 minutes, the delay time which we have added. And after 15 minutes, what we want to do, we want this AI agent to retrieve the transcription. Just click on this Add Action Step button over here, and then here in Choose App, we have to once again search for Happy Scribe. Just select it. After selecting Happy Scribe, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Create Export, because now after transcription, we want to export the transcription from Happy Scribe. Just click on Connect. And because we have connected our Happy Scribe account with Pabbly Connect in the previous step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on Save. Now, as you click on Save, here you can see that the Happy Scribe account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, we have to select the format, that in which particular format we want the transcription from Happy Scribe. So in this dropdown, we have three options: text, docs, and PDFs. So I want to get the transcription as a PDF file, so I'm selecting PDF over here. Then it is asking us that which particular transcription we want to retrieve. So in this dropdown, you will get a list of all the transcription we have. But we are not going to select the transcription from the dropdown. Every time we are going to basically add a new video and transcribe a new video. So we need the transcription of a new video every time. So what you can do, you can just turn this mapping button on and clear the default response. And after that, here from the dropdown, from Happy Scribe's previous step, Create Transcription Action step, select this ID of the transcription and map it over here. In this way, because we are sending a new file, in this step, we are telling Happy Scribe to retrieve the transcription of the same file. Then it is asking us that whether we want to show the timestamp or not. So no, we don't want to show the timestamp, so we are selecting false. Then we want to show the speakers over here, so I'm selecting true. Here in comments, I also don't want to show the comments and highlights, so I'm selecting false for that as well. Now after selecting these options as per your choice and mapping the transcription ID and selecting the format as PDF, just click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received the response. And in this response, you can see that we have basically received the response as pending over here. That it has started the export process, but basically the export link is pending. And to basically get the export link, we have to basically use another action of Happy Scribe after that. Just click on this Add Action Step button, and here in Choose App, we will search for Happy Scribe once again. Just select it. After selecting Happy Scribe, in this action step, we have to basically select Retrieve and Export. So in the first step, we have sent the file link, the video link for transcription. After a delay, in second step of Happy Scribe over here in step 4 of this workflow, we have basically checked that the video transcription is completed and started the process to export the video or the transcription as PDF. And here in this step, we have to basically retrieve the PDF file link. So we are selecting the action event as Retrieve and Export, then just click on Connect. And we have to select the existing connection and click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see that it is asking us for the export ID. So after connecting our Happy Scribe account, we have to enter the export ID from the previous step of Create Export. Just click on this field, and from the drop down from Happy Scribe's Create Export Actions tab, just scroll down and select this response of ID and map it. After mapping the export ID, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. This response states that the export or the transcription is ready over here. The format is PDF, and below that, here you can see the download link. This is the download link of the same PDF file which has a transcription of the video. I'll just open this link in a new tab, and you can see the transcription is downloaded over here. This is the PDF file of the transcription. So as I told you, we have successfully transcribed the video using Happy Scribe. Now after transcribing our YouTube video, we want to send this file over here. We want to send this transcription to OpenAI to extract the details out of it and summarize it. For that, we will scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button, and here in Choose App, I'm selecting OpenAI over here. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the drop down, select the action event as Extract Content from PDF/image. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account and go to the dashboard. From the dashboard, select this API keys section and click on this Create New Secret Key button. As we click on Create New Secret Key, this box will appear in front of us. And here we have to give this API key a name. Let's say I'll name it as Pabbly Connect. After naming our API key, we have to select the project of your OpenAI account in which we are generating the API key and permissions as all. And click on this Create Secret Key button. And as we click on Create Secret Key, the API key is generated. Copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see that our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, the first thing it asks us is the OpenAI model. That using which model of OpenAI we want to basically summarize this transcription PDF file. So in the dropdown, we have multiple options, out of which I'm selecting GPT-4o Mini as my model. Then it is asking us for the image/PDF URL. So here we have to enter the URL of the PDF file in which we have the transcription of the video over here, received from Happy Scribe. So from the Happy Scribe action step of Retrieve and Export, we have received the response of the PDF file link. So here from these responses, we are going to add this response, map this response of PDF file link to this OpenAI action step. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field. From the drop down from Happy Scribe responses, select the response of download link of the PDF file and map it. Then it is asking us for the prompt. That what is the prompt we want to basically share to OpenAI. So here I want to basically give a prompt as this. So this is the prompt which I want to basically give to OpenAI. The prompt says you are an AI assistant that summarizes YouTube video transcripts from a PDF. The PDF contains the full transcript of a single video. Read the entire transcript and return a structured summary. So we wanted a structured summary of the video, and we have basically mentioned the same in the prompt. After entering the prompt over here, in the next field, it is asking us for the structured output. that what is the structure, what should be the response structure which we want to receive from OpenAI as the summary. And here we have to enter the JSON object, the JSON schema of the structure over here. Now, if you want to learn more about the structured output, that how you can basically use it and leverage it, in the help text, you can see this hyperlink. Just click on this link and it will take you to a video on our channel. You can refer to this video to know more about the structured output from OpenAI. And you must be thinking how you can create the JSON schema, the JSON object of your choice to get the desired output or the response or the structure of your desire from OpenAI. For that, in the important note, you can see this link. Just click on it and it will take you to a page on OpenAI. And at this page, you can just click on this generate button, and using this OpenAI tool, you can just generate the JSON schema of your choice. So here we just have to explain that what kind of response, what kind of structure we want. And on the basis of that, this tool will automatically generate the JSON schema. So I have written this prompt over here which says I want to extract main idea, takeaway points, and use case scenario as string from the YouTube video transcription. You can basically explain that what are the details you want from OpenAI from the transcription, and then just click on create. And as you click on create, here you can see that within few seconds, the JSON schema will be created, and here it is. And in this JSON schema, you can see all the key points which we want to extract, which we want from this particular description or transcription. We have basically mentioned all of these points in the JSON structure. We just don't have to do anything. Just copy the JSON structure from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in structured output. After entering the prompt, mapping the PDF file of the transcription over here and entering the structured output, just click on this save and send test request button. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see that within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. And in that response, we will get a structured summary of the same YouTube video which we have added in our Airtable database over here. And yes, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, we have a structured data, structured response with the main idea, the takeaway points from the same video over here. And also we have the use case scenario related to the same video as well. If you want to get some other desired result, you can basically change the structured output, the JSON schema and the prompt as well, and you can get that kind of result of the structured summary or the structured output from OpenAI from the YouTube video transcription. Now, after getting these details, what we want to do, we just want to update these details in Airtable back into the same Airtable row in the same record over here. For that, we will just scroll down, click on this Add Action Step button, and here in Choose App, we will search for Airtable. Just select it. After selecting Airtable in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as Update Record and click on Connect. Now, because we have connected our Airtable account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can just select the existing connection and click on Save. And as we click on Save, here you can see that our Airtable record will get connected with Pabbly Connect once again. After making the connection, here in base name, we are going to search for the same base over here, content creation, in which we are adding the video title, YouTube video title. And also after selecting the base, we are going to select the same table from the drop-down. After selecting the base and the table, it is asking us to select the record ID. But every time we are going to add the video URL and the title and want to update these details, the structured summary, into a new row, into a new record. So what we can do, we can just turn this mapping button on in front of record ID and clear the default response. And from the drop-down, from the trigger step responses of Airtable, select the response of record ID and map it over here. After mapping it, we can see the rest of the fields as the columns. So all the columns of data which we have created in this Airtable database, you can see all of these columns as fields over here. We don't want to update the title and the video URL. We just want to update the main idea, takeaway, and use case scenario. So what we are going to do, once again, we will use the same process of mapping. Click here from OpenAI responses, select the response of main idea and map it. Then we are going to map the response of takeaway points and then also the use case scenario. And after mapping the structured output received from OpenAI from the transcription of the summary of the YouTube video, just click on this Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received the response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, basically the structured summary of the YouTube video we have received from OpenAI, has been updated in Airtable. So let's check it. We will just go to Airtable, and yes, here you can see that in Airtable, automatically these details are updated over here using our AI agent. Now what we have to do, all we have to do is just add the title and the URL of the YouTube video, and automatically within few minutes, this AI agent will capture these details and send it to Happy Scribe. Then Happy Scribe is going to transcribe this particular video, and we are going to send the same transcription to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, we are going to get the summary as a structured response and update the summary back in our Airtable database. Now, because the connection between Airtable and Pabbly Connect, or this AI agent over here, is a polling based connection. And in this type of connection, this AI agent will check for new records, new video titles and video URLs in our Airtable database every 10 minutes. So not just these applications, you can connect multiple applications and create AI agent for different use cases of your business using Pabbly Connect. And also let me tell you that you will get a clone link of the same workflow, the same AI agent in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it for free. Also let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.